How to loop audio in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device and open your design. After you're in your design, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Now, on the left side, click on Uploads. After you click on Uploads, on the left side, here, click on Audio. Make sure you have uploaded the audio. Now click on the audio and simply trim it to half of your picture or video. Then click on Ctrl+D on your keyboard, which will duplicate it. And now make sure both the audios are half-half in this way. After you do that, when you play, the audio will loop. This is how to loop audio in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.